Hey guys, as you're watching in the video, let's check out as how to clean washing machine. Does this rope work? We'll see. Hello, namaste. How you are doing? Hope you are all happy, fine, smiling. As you see here, this is top load washing machine. You can clean the drum, but to remove the wash plate, first remove the cap with a screwdriver as shown in the picture. And you can clean it, and you have to unscrew the bolt of the wash plate, so you can use a wrench. Please be careful. You just have to rotate it, that's it, and remove the screw. And once you remove the screw, the challenge is awaiting for you, and we have tried many ways to remove the wash plate in order to clean it. First, we have tried with a rope. This rope idea we have got by watching YouTube videos, but it did not work. We have put a lot of effort. Here you can see, remove the filter by using your thumbnail and ring finger, by pressing it down and pulling it out as shown in the video. You can clean this, and I'll share a tip as how to clean easily and speedily this filter with a simple toothbrush. This is attempt 3 we have tried, again with a piece of cloth, but unfortunately it did not work. The last attempt we have tried with a slim screwdriver as shown in the picture, which has a cross shaped tip. Then only you can insert it inside to the wash plate. As shown here, you have to catch with one hand the wash plate, and a screwdriver will get into the wash plate hole, and then you gently pull it out by rotating the wash plate as shown in the video. So this is the trick. It takes only just seconds to remove the wash plate, and now you can clean the wash plate and also the area under the wash plate or the drum of the washing machine. Now you can take a simple tool, a toothbrush. It's a bit exciting, right? But it works. So you can get your job done happily with all ease, just as you brush your teeth daily. So you can scrub it with a brush as shown in the video, and clean your drum or the tub of the washing machine. You can clean filter easily as shown in the picture. And if any of you watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you all for subscribing to Flying Skies 1. Please make sure that the bristles are sharp enough, then only it works. You may take a new toothbrush or any used brush. Just do use any machine detergent powder while cleaning. If you want that detergent powder, you can go to my description box and check the link over there. After brushing it out thoroughly, you can rinse it with the water. So how is the idea of brush? Let me know in the comment section. It takes minimum 2 hours to clean the washing machine thoroughly. So here the machine is clean, and you can put the wash plate back into the drum as shown in the picture. So please make sure that you don't use any screwdriver or any tools to put it back into the drum. Just gently drop it and rotate the plate. All done, neat and clean, right? Now you can use your washing machine as usual to wash your clothes. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.